Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best key cutting machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. 238BS Key Cutting Machine. The 238BS Key Cutting Machine for domestic and commercial purpose. High quality and best price. Key cutting machines are used for producing keys for locks. This machine belongs to the group of machine tools which are used for making workpieces. This horizontal key cutting machine is made of high quality steel, thus it is durable enough for long-term use. Besides, the machine comes with the fixed blade and cutter, which are made of alloy steel and can be used for a long time. 238BS is the ideal key machine for cutting car keys, security keys and high security keys. The top specification of key cutting machine is 239BS. It can make new keys to a wide range of vehicle keyless entry systems. It is a high precision and high speed machine at the same time. Number 4. Xhorse Key Cutting Machine. Xhorse Key Cutting Machine is a perfect assistant to your daily work. It enables you to copy the original key in a fast, accurate and efficient way. Precise and delicate, this machine is convenient and reliable. The machine has high compatibility and a high practicability. It can meet most of your needs in key duplication. Xhorse high-end key cutting machine is the ideal choice for locksmiths or house owners. The machine works well with metal, wood, silicon and other similar materials. You can also use it to make locks and other metal products. It is a perfect tool for locksmith and house owners. It is also used as locksmith tool. With 8 kinds of blades, it can make all kinds of shapes of keys, and it will make a perfect copy of the key. It can be used for the most kind of the key and the most locks, doors and so on. Number 3. Zorse SL437 Key Cutting Machine. The Zorse Condor Dolphin XP005 automatic key cutting machine is a cutting machine that also processes smart keys generated by the official key programmer, which is equipped with a quality LCD screen, supporting multi-language, simple and convenient to use. The Zorse Condor Dolphin XP005 automatic key cutting machine is able to store over 300 key data. The key cutting machine is designed to work with Android devices and iOS devices, such as iPhone, iPad Touch, and iPod Touch. The key cutting machine is connected to your device through a Bluetooth connection. So for the Android phone, you will download the free software from our website. The free software is for the Android phone that has been operating system after 4.4.4. For Android devices before 4.4.4, you can use Dolphin browser to connect to the cutter machine. For iOS devices, you can download the free software from App Store. The free software is for the iOS devices that have been iOS version after 10.2. As long as your device has the latest version, you can start to use the software right away. Number 2. LZHZXY 368A Key Cutting Machine. LZHZXY Model 368A Key Cutting Machine is a high precision and high-speed vertical type key cutting machine. It is one of the most advanced key machine in China. The machine can be used to duplicate different kinds of security keys, such as safe keys, auto keys, door keys and padlocks. The machine is a vertical structure designed for duplicating security keys, locksmith tools, key cutting machine with high efficiency. Vertical key cutter is mainly used for key duplication. The machine is with the function of checking the finished key, automatic feeding, stop feeding, automatic return and discharging, with the function of adjusting the blades. Number 1. Vipkey 368A Key Cutting Machine. The Defu 368A car key cutting copy duplicating machine is great for cutting and copying 4D VVVV car keys, and it's a key cutting machine. It can be used for duplicating both plastic and metal keys. It has high speed and high accuracy, and it has a big throat. It can work on both soft material and hard metal, and it's suitable for car keys, motorcycle keys, house keys, and bike keys. Defu is a professional manufacturer for car key cutting machine and car key copy machine, and also we have our own factory in China. We have been in this line for more than 10 years, and we export our machines to Europe and America with our high quality and best price. Now we are selling our products to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Mexico, Nigeria, Namibia, Chile, Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Uruguay, Argentina and more than 100 other countries. We have more than 200 big and medium dealers in these countries. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.